Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4, part 3. And the topic is masculine and feminine and cases of the noun, and the third number, type of sentence. In this video we will learn 3 topics of the lesson. The number 1 topic is masculine and feminine, and the number 2 topic is cases of the noun, and the number 3 topic is types of sentence. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and give thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Let's start the lesson. In Arabic, both living things and non-living things categorize into masculine and feminine. In Arabic, a feminine noun usually ends with these 3 symbols. The first one, ta marbuta. The second one, alif maksura. The third one, alif mamduda. Where there are some exceptions, we will learn these exceptions later lesson. And one important rule to remember is the second to last letter of feminine word always take fatha. Some examples: talibatun, student. The second one, mustashfa, hospital. Hasna'u, noble woman. In these 3 examples, we can see the second last letter have take fatha. Ta marbuta यानी गोलता, अलिफ मकसूरा और अलिफ ममदूदा, ये 3 अलामात जो हैं वो फेमिनिन नाउन की हैं, यानी मोनस की हैं. जिस नाउन में ये 3 अलामात पाई जाएंगी वो फेमिनिन नाउन कहलाएगा. अदरवाइज़ बाकी सब जो है वो मैस्कुलिन नाउन होंगे. इंशाल्लाह बाकी रूल्स जो हैं वो नेक्स्ट लेसन में हम पढ़ेंगे. अभी जो आपने एक रूल इसका याद कर रखना है वो ये है कि सेकंड लास्ट वर्ड जो होगा वो फेमिनिन नाउन का वो हमेशा फतहा यानी ज़बर होगा. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, तालिबतुन, मुस्तशफ़ा, हसनाउ. इसमें सेकंड लास्ट वर्ड जो है तालिबा, इसके ऊपर फतहा है, मुस्तशफ़ा फ़ा के ऊपर फतहा है और हसना नून के ऊपर फतहा है. नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ टू चेंज अ मैस्कुलिन नाउन टू फेमिनिन नाउन टू यूजिंग ता मरबूता इन मोर डिटेल. ओके, लेट्स सी. हाज़ा मुदर्रिसुन, this is a teacher, a masculine form. Now we will see how to convert it in feminine noun. Haza, this, to change hazihi to the feminine noun, and we will add at the end of the noun ta marbuta, and the second last word take fatha. Haza mudarrisun to hazihi mudarrisatun, this is a teacher. Okay, let's repeat. Haza mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Hazihi mudarrisatun, this is a teacher. This is feminine form. Okay, now we will see some more examples. The first one, ana talibu, I am a student, it's masculine form. And ana talibatun, I am a student, is feminine form. Let's repeat. Ana talibun, I am a student. Ana talibatun, I am a student. Okay, the next one, ana tabibun, I am a doctor, in masculine form. Ana tabibatun, I am a doctor, in feminine form. Let's repeat. Ana tabibun, I am a doctor. Ana tabibatun, I am a doctor, in feminine form. Okay, now we will learn cases of the noun. In Arabic, there are 3 cases of the noun. The first one, the nominative case. In this case, avoid in this case and with dhamma or dhammatain. Okay, the second case, accusative case. Avoid in this case and with in a fatha or fathatain. The third case is genitive case. Avoid in this case and in a kasra or kasratain. Okay, the first case is nominative case. इस केस में जो नाउन होगा वो हमेशा डबल दमा और दमा के साथ एंड होगा, यानी पेश और डबल पेश के साथ एंड होगा। और दूसरा इसका केस है एक्यूजेटिव केस। इसमें जो नाउन होगा वो हमेशा फतहा और डबल फतहा के साथ एंड होगा, यानी ज़बर और डबल ज़बर के साथ एंड होगा। और थर्ड केस इज़ जेनेटिव केस। इस केस में जो नाउन है वो एंड होगा कसरा और डबल कसरा के साथ, मीन ज़ेर और डबल ज़ेर के साथ एंड होगा। प्लीज़ रिमेंबर these cases, it helpful in future lessons. Okay, we have learned the feminine and masculine and cases of the noun. Now we will learn the types of the sentence in Arabic. In Arabic, we have two types of the sentences. The first one is nominal sentence and verbal sentence. Now we will learn nominal sentence in more details. The nominal sentence in Arabic, al-jumlatul ismiya. The nominal sentence start with a noun or pronoun. It has two parts. The first one is subject mubtada and second one is predicate khabar. Subject mubtada, it represents a person or thing which is described in a sentence, and the predicate is, it is the description or the explanation of mubtada. For example, Ahmad is a student. In this sentence, Ahmad is a subject and student is a predicate. नॉमिनल सेंटेंस को जुमलातुल इस्मिया भी कहते हैं, और जुमलातुल इस्मिया जो है वो हमेशा नाउन और प्रोनाउन के साथ स्टार्ट होता है, और इसके दो पार्ट्स हैं, एक सब्जेक्ट यानी मुब्तदा और प्रेडिकेट यानी ख़बर। मुब्तदा वो वर्ड होता है जिसकी निस्बत की जाती है, और ख़बर वो वर्ड होता है जो बैक एंड पे जो मुब्तदा होता है उसकी डिस्क्राइब करता है और उसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन पेश करता है। यहाँ पर एक एग्जांपल पेश की गई है, अहमद इज़ आ स्टूडेंट। इसमें अहमद जो है वो सब्जेक्ट है यानी मुब्तदा है, और स्टूडेंट वो प्रेडिकेट है, यानी अहमद की निस्बत स्टूडेंट की तरफ की जा रही है कि अहमद स्टूडेंट है। और यहाँ पर अहमद जो है वो एक इसम यानी नाउन है, और नेक्स्ट जो स्टूडेंट है वो स्टूडेंट अहमद की एक्सप्लेनेशन कर रहा है कि अहमद ही स्टूडेंट है। यहाँ पर अहमद सब्जेक्ट यानी मुब्तदा है और स्टूडेंट प्रेडिकेट यानी ख़बर है। स्टूडेंट ये अहमद के बारे में ख़बर है कि अहमद जो है वो स्टूडेंट है। इन नॉमिनल सेंटेंस प्रेडिकेट हैव 4 टाइप्स। प्रेडिकेट कैन बी a noun, a nominal sentence, a verbal sentence, and the fourth one, an expression with a proposition. Now we will learn nominal sentence with more examples. Okay, the first one, Khalidun fil mustashfa. Khalid is in the hospital. Here Khalidun is subject, and always remember a subject mubtada must be in the nominative case. Subject take single dhamma when with the definite articles and 2 dhammas when indefinite articles. Subject mubtada is always a noun or pronoun. Okay, let's repeat. Khalidun fil mustashfa. Khalid is in the hospital. Okay, the next one, Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. Here Muhammad is a subject and talibun is a predicate. In this sentence, predicate is a noun. Okay, let's repeat. Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. Okay, the next one, al-mudarrisu kharaja min faslin. The teacher went out of a class. Here al-mudarrisu is a subject and kharaja min faslin is a predicate. Here verbal sentence, predicate is a verbal sentence. Okay, let's repeat. Al-mudarrisu kharaja min faslin. The teacher went out of a class. Okay, the next one, huwa talibun jayyidun. He is a good student. Here huwa is a subject and talibun jayyidun is a predicate. In this sentence, talibun jayyidun is a nominal sentence. Predicate is a nominal sentence. Okay, let's repeat. Huwa talibun jayyidun. He is a good student. Okay, the next one, Khalidun fil mustashfa. Khalid is in the hospital. Here Khalidun is a subject and fil mustashfa is a predicate. Here, an predicate is an expression with a proposition. In this sentence, proposition is fi. Okay, let's repeat. Khalidun fil mustashfa. Khalid is in the hospital. Now we will learn second type of the sentence. The verbal sentence. Al-jumlatul fa'liya. The verbal sentence starts with a verb. It has three parts. The first one, verb. It means it describes an action. And the second one, subject. The person or thing doing the action. And the third one, object, which means it is the thing on which the action has been done. For example, went Ahmad to the university. In this sentence, went is a verb and Ahmad is a subject and university is a object. Verbal sentence, object maf'ulun can be two types. The first one is noun and the second one is an expression with the proposition. The rules must be remembered. When an object is a noun, it always take executive case, single fatha when definite and double fatha when indefinite. When an object start with a proposition, it always take genitive case, single kasra when definite, double kasra with indefinite. Let's see example. The first one, akala yasirun tufaha. Yasir ate apple. In this sentence, akala ate is a verb and yasirun is a subject and tufahan apple is a object. Okay, let's repeat. Akala yasirun tufahan. Yasir ate apple. Okay, the next one. Zahaba rajulu ilal bayti. The man went to the house. Here, zahaba went is a verb. Ar-rajulu, the man, is a object and ilal bayti is a subject. In this sentence, object an expression with a preposition, genitive case. Since al-bayt is definite, so it take a single kasra. Okay, let's repeat. Zahaba ar-rajulu ilal bayti. The man went to the house. Okay, now let's practice with reading without the vowel marks. Al-ummu fil bayti. The mother is in the house. Okay, the next one. At-talibu maridun. The student is sick. And the next one. Al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Okay, the next one. Al-maridu zahaba ilal mustashfa. The patient went to the hospital. Okay, the next one. Huwa minas Sin. He is from China. Okay, the next one. Al-muhandisu mujtahidun. The engineer is hardworking. Okay, the next one. Al-kitabu al-maktabi. The book is on the desk. Congratulations, we have completed the lesson number 4. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz wa da'a araka qariban. Goodbye, see you soon.